My name's Chef Paul, and we're going to be working on a wonderful platter here, and I'm going to explain all these wonderful, beautiful ingredients on here. This particular platter that I've built here is roughly for 20 to 25 people. So don't be scared. You're going to have fun with it, and you can also keep the costs down as well. We've got two different types of cheeses, very, very different in flavor on the cheese spectrum, if you will. So we've got a very sharp blue cheese, big, bold flavors for those blue cheese lovers. And then we have a very mild brie, really soft, creamy brie, which is going to please most people. You can always change the flavors with that by adding a little jam or jelly that's left over in your fridge, right? My recommendation personally for a blue cheese is to add something sweet to it. So what I have here is just a little bit of jam that I found in my fridge. You know, any kind of nice jam would work well. This is a red currant jam. If you have a raspberry jam, strawberry jam, honey even works really well. Even if you didn't like blue cheese, you would have a nice little bit of sweetness to soften that flavor. So it's really delicious. And it also works well with our brie, so it's a nice crossover. Now, also in the meat department over here, because we have a lot of different meats, again, we've got our mortadella, we've got a little bit of prosciutto, which is a nice Italian ham, cured ham, and then we've got a sausage style or salami style meat over here. Some of the meat in here, some of the salamis that I have are a little bit spicier for those people who love it, and then I have some that are not. You know, you want to make sure that you're pleasing all 20 to 25 people, so you do need quite a few slices, but the best part about this is the deli will actually slice all of this for you, so you're just basically building your platter. What I like to do is try and look in the fridge and see what I can add to this platter as a combination to enhance those meats. So just like the cheese with the jellies and jams, hey, we're gonna go and add some mustard. So hey, I found some beer mustard in my fridge. I've got some beer mustard on there, or you could use a Dijon or a grainy mustard, whatever you really have in your fridge. Also, I love the acidity or the sourness of pickles, and what better than some little mini gherkins. Saw those in my fridge, sliced them up, just fanned them out with my knife onto our platter. And then some lemon, some lemon. Now, you're probably thinking, why lemon? Obviously, we wouldn't want to just eat the lemon on its own, but it does add a beautiful color to our platter, a nice yellow pop, which is going to instantly turn all of your guests' eyes to that platter. I don't know about you guys out there, but I know for me, I always have leftover herbs. So I had a little bit of leftover rosemary, so put some rosemary sprigs in there, again, some little pickles, some little gherkins, and some roasted bell peppers, which also has a nice sweetness too, and could actually cross over to the cheese aspect. So there you have it. You have a wonderful, beautiful platter with a few varieties on there for your very large party of 20 to 25 people. Please enjoy.